Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply buy the Terra Luna Classic, also known as Loan C, on your Trust Wallet. As you know, Trust Wallet you can't deposit the Terra Luna Classic directly on your Trust Wallet. So for that, we're going to be using our BEP20 or the BEP20 address, which is gotten by simply clicking on the drop down that says more and clicking on this copy here. Once that's done, you minimize the browser, open up your Trust Wallet, and once Trust Wallet has opened up, the browser section at the bottom of the screen is where you want to go, and make sure you've got some BNB, seeing as we used its smart chain variant. So you simply click on Pancake Swap. You then give it some time to open up. And once Pancake Swap has opened up, the three-dotted icon at the top icon of the screen, you click on this, click on Ethereum, and click on BNB Smart Chain. You then proceed to connect your wallet by clicking on this Connect, clicking on Trust Wallets, and then boom, it's connected by simply clicking on Wallet Connect. Our next option is to simply click on this cake, paste the contract address we just copied, which is for the Luna C. Luna, click on this. You give it some time to load in all the assets. Once it's done loading in the assets, all you simply need to do is click on the amount of percentage you're willing to trade your BNB for. And I'm looking at $1 for the Luna Classic on the BEP20. The slippage tolerance is set to 1%, but seeing as this is a medium token, we might have to take it up to 6.0. Let's see if it works. Click on swap, click on confirm swap. A smart contract call pulls out for $1.20. So you click on approve. Boom, add Luna to wallet. Okay, Luna BEP20 is going to be deposited directly on our wallet in exchange for some of our BNB. So now here we go, the Luna on our Trust Wallet. As you can see, it says BEP20. So if you're looking to get the native Luna, which is not really accessible on the Trust Wallet mobile app, all you need to do is simply send your BEP20. That's this Luna. You send it from here to a centralized exchange known as Binance, and you simply click on deposits, search for the cryptocurrency, which is Luna, click on Luna Classic, and it says Terra Classic here, so we might have to click on the other one. So click on Luna, still says Terra. Okay, and what you'd simply do is simply swap or convert your Luna back into BEP20 or any BEP20 token that's acceptable on Binance. And with that, you simply click on send, or you send any of your BEP20 tokens to the Binance app, which is here. You deposit any of those tokens here. And once that's done, you simply click on convert, select the Luna. So we're looking for Luna, Terra Classic. And then in exchange, we're going to be using our USDT for the Luna C. So Luna C. And one USDT is going to be giving us 10,800 of the Luna C, which you simply convert. And once it's done converting, you simply head back and head over to your wallets, where you simply scroll to spots, click on withdraw, and then you click on Luna C, send via crypto network, and it's going out as Terra Classic, as you can see, Terra Classic. So we're going to be pasting any of the addresses we have. And in order to do this, you would need to have an account on Binance. Using the link in the description of the video, once you've registered and you've done the KYC, verified your account, you'd be given an opportunity to get a free $100 worth of trading rebates by using our link. Do comment down below if you have any questions concerning how we can go about this, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.